Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to solve a very important problem from Model 3, Eigenvalues and Eigenvectors. So the question is, find model matrix of 4, 1, 2, 3 and verify its diagonalization. First we write what is given in this question. This is solution and given. We can consider this matrix as A. So A equals to 4, 1, 2, 3. Now first we understand what is modal matrix. Modal matrix equal to diagonal matrix obtained after diagonalization. So we can say that modal matrix equals to diagonal matrix after diagonalization. So what we have to find? We have to find eigenvalues, eigenvectors and form PD such that A equals to PD P inverse. So we have to find, first one is eigenvalues, second one is eigenvectors, and third one is form P comma D such that A equal to P into D P inverse. So these are the three things we have to find from this question. So let's solve it step by step. So what is the first step? We have to find the eigenvalues. So step 1, find the eigenvalues. So how can we find the eigenvalues of A? Because this matrix we consider A. So this is nothing but A minus lambda into I whole determinant, which is equals to 0. So first we understand what is I. I is nothing but identity matrix which is 1 0 0 1. So first we find lambda into I. Lambda into I, which is nothing but lambda 0 0 lambda. Now we have to find A minus lambda into I, which is equals to A value is 4 1 2 3 minus A lambda into I, which is lambda 0 0 lambda. So after that we got 4 minus lambda. This is 4 minus lambda. This is 1 2 minus 0, so 0 3 minus lambda, 3 minus lambda, which is equals to 0. So A minus lambda into I, which is equals to 4 minus lambda, this is 1, and 2, this is 3 minus lambda. Now we have to take the determinant. So A minus lambda into I, determinant equals to, this is 4 minus lambda into 3 minus lambda minus 2 into 1, which is equals to 0. So let's solve it. This is 4 3 12 minus 4 lambda minus 3 lambda plus lambda square, which is equals to, sorry, this is minus 2, which is equals to 0. So this is 12 minus 7 lambda plus lambda square minus 2 equals to 0. So minus 2 plus 12 is 10. So lambda square plus 10 minus 7 lambda equals to 0. So lambda square minus 7 lambda plus 10 equals to 0. So let's solve this equation. This is lambda square minus 5 lambda minus 2 lambda plus 10 equals to 0. So when you multiply it becomes minus 5 minus 2 10. That's why 10 is there. So I am splitting minus 7 lambda to minus 5 lambda or minus 2 lambda. So now first solve this. Can I take lambda common? So lambda minus 5 minus 2 common. This is lambda minus 5, which is equals to 0. So lambda minus 5 and this is lambda minus 2 equal to 0. So our lambda 1 equals to 5 and lambda 2 equals to 2. So these are our eigenvalues. Now we have to find the eigenvectors. So in step 2, we have to find the eigenvector. Find eigenvector. So how can we find the eigenvectors? We have to find the eigenvector for lambda 1 and lambda 2. So first we find eigenvector for lambda 1, which is equals to 5. So eigenvectors for lambda 1, which is equals to 5. So how can we find? We can find A minus 5 into I into x equals to 0. X is nothing but eigenvector which is equals to x or y. So now we have to find A minus 5i first. So A minus 5i, which is equals to, what is A vector, which is 4 1 2 3 and minus 5i equals to 1 0 0 1. So when you multiply this 5, it become, this is 4 1 2 3 minus this is 5 0 0 5. So after subtracting from a, it becomes 4 minus 5, which is equals to 1 minus 1, and 1 minus 0 equals to 1, 2 minus 0 equals to 2, and 3 minus 5, which is equals to minus 2. So now what is our a minus 5i into x? So what is the value of a minus 5, which is equals to minus 1 1 2 minus 2? So minus 1 1 2 minus 2. Now we have to multiply this matrix by xy. So when you multiply it, it becomes, this is, multiply this row to this column, minus x plus y. So this is minus x plus y, which is equals to 0 from this equation. So we can say that y equals to x. Now taking this equation, so 2 into x, 2x minus 2 into y, so minus 2y, which is equals to 0. So 2x equals to 2y, this 2 cancel out, x equals to y. So we can say that what's our eigenvector? X equals to 1 comma 1, because x and y are equal. So we can say that this is nothing but v1 vector, which is eigenvector, which is 1 comma 1. So this is the eigenvector for lambda 1, which equals to 5. Like that you have to find the eigenvector for lambda 2 equals to 2. So now we have to find eigenvector for lambda equals to 2. So eigenvector for lambda equals to 2. How can we find a minus 2 into I into x equals to 0? X is nothing but, I already explained you, this is our eigenvector x into y, xy. So first we know what is I. I is nothing but identity matrix, which is 1 0 0 1. First we find 2i. 2i equals to, when you multiply this by 2, 2 0 0 2. Now we have to find a minus 2i. What is the value of a? Which is nothing but 4 1 2 3 and minus 2 0 0 2. So when you subtract it, it becomes a minus 2i, which is equals to 2 1 2 1. Now we have to multiply this matrix into x. So 2 1, this is 1, and 2 1 multiply by this is x y, which is equals to 0. So first multiply 2 into x plus 1 into y. So 2x plus y, which is equals to 0. Like that 2 into x plus 1 into y, same equation. So 2x plus y, which is equals to 0. We can say that y equals to minus 2x. So now what is our eigenvector? Eigenvector is nothing but 1, this is minus 2, which v2 equals to, by seeing this equation. So now what is our step 3? We have to form the P and D matrix. P we form by the eigenvectors as column. So step 3 is we have to form matrix P and D. Matrix P formed with the help of eigenvectors as columns. So what is P equals to? Our first eigenvector is 1 1 and our second eigenvector is 1 minus 2. So this is the P matrix. So now we have to form the D matrix. How can we form the D matrix? With the help of eigenvalues, and our P matrix formed with the help of eigenvector. So model is diagonal matrix D. D equals to, this is 5 0 0 2. This is our diagonal model D matrix with the help of our eigenvalues, and eigenvectors P matrix is formed with the help of our eigenvectors. So now we have to verify our diagonalization. So in step 4 verify diagonalization. So what is the formula to verify diagonalization, which is A equals to P into D into P inverse. So first we find the value of P inverse. P inverse. So what is the formula of P inverse? Which is nothing but adjacent of P divided by determinant of P. This is the formula of P inverse. So first we understand what is adjacent of P. Now can we find the determinant of P? So let's see. So what is our P matrix, which is 1 1 1 minus 2. So what is the adjacent of P? Adjacent of P, which is equals to, first we change the diagonal and change the sign of another diagonal. So it means minus 2, this is 1, and this is minus 1 and minus 1. This is the adjacent of P. And how can we find the determinant of P? This is P, which is equals to minus 3 into, sorry, minus 2 into 1, minus 2 into 1, minus 1 into 1. So when you solve it, minus 2 minus 1, so determinant of P equals to minus 3. This is the determinant of P. So P inverse equals to adjoint of P divided by determinant of P. So this is nothing but, what is the determinant of P, which is minus 1 by 3. So 1 minus 1 by 3, and our adjoint of P is minus 2, minus 1, minus 1 and 1. So now what is diagonalization? A equals to P into D into P inverse. Already we got the value of P inverse, P already we have, and D already find. So A equals to, what is P value, which is 1 1 1 minus 2. D value is 5 0 0 2. This is nothing but our model matrix. And what is P inverse, which is minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 1, and multiply by, this is 1 by minus 3. So now A equals to, when you solve these two, first we solve these two. So when you solve it, these two matrix become, this is 5 2 5 minus 4. Now multiply minus 1 by 3 to this matrix. It become, this is 2 by 3, this is 1 by 3, and this is 1 by 3, like that. This is minus 1 by 3. So now A equals to, this is 5 into 2 by 3 plus 2 into 1 by 3. So this become 10 by 3 plus 2 by 3, like that. 5 into 1 by 3 plus 2 into minus 1 by 3. This is become 5 by 3 minus 2 by 3, like that. 5 into 2 by 3, this is 10 by 3, and minus 4 into 1 by 3, this is minus 4 by 3. 5 into 1 by 3, this is 5 by 3, minus 4 into minus 1 by 3, it becomes plus 4 by 3. So now A equals to 10 plus 2, 12, and divided by 3, it becomes 4. 5 minus 2, 3, divided by 3, it becomes 1. 10 minus 4, 6, divided by 3, which is equals to 2. And 5 plus 4, 9, divided by 3, this becomes 3. So we can clearly see that our A matrix is 4 1 2 3, and whatever we got, 4 1 2 3, these two are equal. So we can say that our diagonalization is verified. This is verified. So like that you have to solve in the examination step by step to get the full marks. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.